Well, agat YouTube, consultatu. I have a new portable telecommunications device. It's called the Samsung C3350, or, if you prefer, the Solid X cover. So I got this phone because I think it's the upgrade to the phone I had previously, which was the B2100, and it served me very well. I accidentally dropped it in Clew Bay, went in after it, and survived. It's been up cliffs, it's been up mountains, it's been in caves with me. It's always served me very well and it hasn't broken down. I think I had it about 2 years, and then, of course, up and at and disappeared on a night out, as a lot of things tend to do. But this one, it's like the B2100. It's waterproof, dustproof, and relatively speaking, drop proof. You could drop it from 3 feet and it'll be okay, but if you dropped it from like above your head, it'll be okay, but it'll get scratched and broken and all that. But eventually. So anyway, that's that. It's beeping like mad. I'm still playing around with the settings on it, but whenever I'm texting, it sounds like I'm talking with R2-D2 or something. But no, I like it. It's got a torch and everything on it, which comes in quite handy. So I think it's a little bigger than the B2100, but yeah, it'll do the job anyway. I wish I could get it without the camera because frankly I don't need one. It's also got an MP3 player and FM radio and all the other bells and whistles that aren't really necessary on a phone. But anyway, it'll do for that anyway. So it's just a case now of getting my numbers back. And if anyone on Facebook sees this video without seeing my post already, please send me a text. My number is still the same. Or else private message me here or on Facebook and I'll send you my number. So that's that. Go raibh maith agat. Slán.